Today's video will introduce in detail how to set parameters for sine wave output by signal generator. HDG3000 can output 5 basic waveforms, including sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, pulse and noise. Press the wave key to select waveform and sine wave. Set the frequency, that is, the number of sine wave changes within 1 second. You can use the direction keys and knobs, or use the keyboard, with a maximum output of 100 MHz. Press the utility unit to change the frequency to cycle. Frequency and period are inversely related. The unit becomes ns, us, ms, s. Set the maximum value of amplitude, that is, peak value and sine value in the process of changing with time. The units are VPP, MVPP, VRMS and MVRMS. VPP equals 22 VRMS. Set the DC offset voltage and adjust the position of the waveform in the vertical direction, with the unit of V and MV. Press the utility unit to switch the amplitude and offset to high and low levels. Set the vertical position of wave crest and wave trough. The units are V and MV. Set the starting phase, which determines the value in the positive and negative of the instantaneous value of the sine current during the alternating process of time. The setting range is 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Zero phase, quickly set the phase to 0 degrees. Internal synchronization enables two channel phases to be synchronized with each other. If there are two signals with the same frequency or multiple frequency, they can be aligned in phase. Set CH1 and CH2 to output 1 kHz, 8 VPP sine wave, but CH1 phase is 0 degrees and CH2 phase is 180 degrees. It can be found that the phase difference between the two waveforms displayed on the oscilloscope is not 180 degrees. Press the internal synchronization key, and the waveform in the oscilloscope will be displayed as a 180-degree phase difference, without manually adjusting the initial phase in the signal source.